Just before we start adding data to the session, there's a little thing which I want to take care of. If we look at our session class, the isStarted method, we're just actually returning this boolean, but like we discussed when we talked about the start method, the session may have been started in another part of our application, so I think we also need to put that check in here. So what we're going to do is just replace this, and we will set this isStarted to, and then we'll just copy this line. So we'll do the session status check, okay, and the result of that will be stored in the isStarted property, and then we'll just return this isStarted. So if I go and run my test for that now, hopefully I should get the same results. So can check if a session is started. Let's go and run this over to the terminal. I'll just make this a little bit bigger, and so session test, and then we just need to filter for the test that we want, paste that in there. Okay, one test, one assertion, so I'm happy with that. Short recording, but it's just something that we needed to get out of the way, and now we'll actually move on to storing data to our session. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like YouTube to show you more of my content, all you need to do is subscribe and click the little notification icon. I release new recordings every few days. Details of my schedule can be found on the community tab of my YouTube channel homepage.